Hey guys, my name's Haley. Welcome back to the Disney Cupcake channel. Today I have another package from my friend Kiri in Japan, so let's get started. So first off, I would like to say thank you so much to Kiri for sending me another amazing package from Tokyo. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for thinking of me. So let's see what's inside. If you guys like to see more of my Tokyo merchandise videos or other packages that I have received from my friend Kiri, I'll have them linked down below so you guys can check those out. It is inside one of the Tokyo Disney boxes again. I'm so excited to open this. Okay. So here is our first item. What is peeking out of here? What is this? It's a Mickey Mouse little cushion. This is a Halloween little pillow cushion. This is perfect because it is now October. I'm so excited for Halloween. Oh my gosh, it's so puffy. It's Mickey Mouse and he's dressed as a ghost. He has his little feet, his little ears, and he's saying boo. And on the back it says trick or treat and his little butt's hanging out of the bottom. And then there's this zipper on the top. And you can flip it inside out. No way. This is genius. This is perfect. I am so excited for Halloween right now. And I have a bunch of fun Halloween videos coming up. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? Look at his face. It's so funny. And he has little pumpkin pants on and it is this purple background. And then there's the back. So cute. I'm so excited to use that. My goodness. That is so cute. Thank you so much. This next little item is in this amazing little Tokyo bag. Oh my gosh. These are some postcards. These ones are from the Tabata days. This just happened in 2018. This was one of the special events. I do have some of this merchandise that Kiri sent before. I love this artwork. I love how shiny and detailed the card is. It is so pretty. And then this other one was for the summer event for the 30th anniversary. It has a little stamp on there. Love this artwork. Looks so happy, so exciting. It is sparkly, it's shimmery, it has Mickey and the castle on there, and some of the Fab Five. So cool. I love these. I like to frame the postcards for different events and stuff, so I'm definitely excited to use those ones because the artwork is incredible. Thank you so much. Grab our next item. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this washi tape. Oh my gosh. It is Pixar. It's Toy Story. Little postcards of the little scenes. Everything is so cute in Japan. Oh my gosh. Oh, we have a new bag too. This is the Halloween 2018 bag. And she put a little note on this one. Your favorite merch is here. Are you ready? Open last. Okay, so oh my gosh, I want to open it, but I'm gonna follow the directions here. Okay, I'm not gonna open this one. I'm gonna save that one for last. Oh my gosh, these are little earrings. No way. I love this tape. I'm gonna save it. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. And these are for the summer event too. The packaging is so amazing. It's the little water balloon earrings and it's Chip and Dale with the water balloons dangling down. They say Tokyo Disneyland on them. I'm so excited to wear these. They're so cute. I'm so excited to wear them. I got this new shirt and it reminds me so much of the Tokyo shirts because it's like the all over print and it's Mickey Mouse. So I'm so excited to wear those. We have a 35th anniversary and Halloween bag. I like this Halloween design for this year. Very, very cool. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry I keep saying oh my gosh, but oh my, 2 new pins. First one is from Tokyo Disney Sea, the 17th anniversary. This has amazing detail in it. The 17 is a sparkly blue and it has little rose petals falling down on the little dangling Mickey and Minnie in the boat. My gosh, this is so pretty. It has a yellow background on the back and it is so detailed. It is such a nice quality pin. It's beautiful. And this other one is for the Disney Pirates Summer at Tokyo Disney Sea as well. And it has one of the pirates here with a compass. And it says Pirate Summer 2018. That is so amazing. I am so excited to put these on my pin board. The pins are so well made. They have so much great detail in them and they're just nice pins. Wow, wow, wow. What? What is this? Oh, there's a note? Thank you so much, Curie. You know I don't mind. I appreciate it no matter what. Thank you so much. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. And it's really funny because I was just talking about this all over print. This is amazing. And this is the 2017 Halloween Tokyo Disney Sea shirt. And it has Mickey, Captain Hook, Ursula, and the Evil Queen all over it. And this really amazing design. I really like this design. And I've never had a shirt that does this. We're gonna see how it works. So I don't know how to show you guys this happening. But I'm just going to prop up my camera. Flash on. Okay. What? Okay, so since it's like still bright outside, you can't really see, but I'm sure if I like went somewhere else and did it, it'd be okay, but like I'm standing right in front of the window. But, can you guys see that? There are the words pop up on it. I'm gonna put the picture right here so you guys can see it better. It says "Welcome to the Villain's World" on it. That is so insane. I'm gonna have to like definitely have someone take a picture and like see their reaction too. That's gonna be so cool. I'm so excited to wear this. This is so neat. How does it do that? That's amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. And there's another item in this bag as well. Oh my gosh. It's one of the little trays that you can get with your food. I love the texture. This is really nice. Is this like tin? This is the Halloween 2016 Tokyo Disney Resort Disney's Halloween tray. And it says "I don't bite" and it's Mickey as a vampire. It has Tokyo Disney Sea, Tokyo Disneyland. Super nice. This is so nice. I am currently working on my Halloween shelf over here, so I'm gonna put that in there right after I finish this video. I was actually just currently doing my Halloween stuff in my room, so I'm really excited to put this in here. Thank you so much. This is so cool. And then it looks like we also have the Halloween map and merchandise guide. I love looking at this, seeing all the new stuff that's available right now. Amazing. Thank you so much, Curie, for sending me this package. But I almost forgot we have the other one to open that you told me to open last. So I don't know what that means. But here we go. Oh my god. Okay. 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 We're gonna go through that bag one at a time because I need to like not try to freak out right now. Okay. So these are blind boxes of the food from Tokyo. I cannot believe I'm holding this right now. Here's the box. Here are the different ones you can collect. I love the food. I love blind boxes. I love the merchandise for the food. I love the merchandise. I like to eat the food. This is just the perfect mix. Let's get this open because I cannot believe I'm holding this in my hand. Gosh, I'm so afraid to open it. We got the mystery one. Okay, welcome to my desk area. Oh my goodness, hold up. Hold on. There's so much going on right now. Here's our first little food item. This looks like a turkey leg. Very, very cute. We also have this bread. Super cute. Detailing's fantastic. And this other little thing is a little coffee cup with the resort printing on it. Wow. And on top of that, it even comes with the wrappers for the food to go into. This is way too far in the best way. What? Oh my goodness. This is too much. This is amazing. I have my meal. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe we got the chaser. This is insane. Insane. Okay, I have 5 more to open. Oh my gosh. This is insane. I'm shaking right now. These are amazing. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow. These are so amazing. These are so well made. So here's the packaging. This is for Huey, Dewey, and Louie's Good Time Cafe in Toontown at Tokyo Disneyland. And there you can get this Mickey Mouse bun with chicken, and you put it in the wrapper. Okay, and then we have the Toontown packaging for the french fries. Oh my goodness. To all of the US parks, please do this. Please do this. This is so magical. So magical. Now on to our third one. Who did we get? The popcorn from Toontown. And also the tropical Mickey ice bar. And this packaging, this isn't paper. It's like a thick like plastic. And there's a little opening that you can actually put it in. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so amazing. And it's in there. It looks like it's sealed and everything, but then you could take it out. This is so detailed. On to our next one. We got my all-time favorite, the Mickey waffle. This is the cutest thing. So we have our plate with the red and white detailing. Super cute. On the plate we put our classic Mickey Mouse waffle. On top of the waffle we're gonna put some whipped cream. Oh my gosh, that is my favorite for sure. And it also comes with a little fork and knife so you can eat it. And another little to-go travel coffee cup. That is my favorite little set so far. And we still have 2 more to open. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Curie. And we got the other popsicle set. So we have the packaging. This is the mini ice bar, and this is peach and raspberry flavored. And then we also have the Minnie Mouse popsicle. Very well detailed, and we're gonna slide that in our little packaging. Adorable. And then we're also gonna put our little Lifesaver bread inside of our little plastic packaging. So it looks like Donald is going through the inner tube, or Lifesaver, and there's the little butt. We have one more to open. We finished the set. We have our Sweetheart Cafe tray, and it comes with a little Mickey Mouse bread with some jelly filling there. And then we have our Mike Wazowski melon bread. Thank you so much, Curie. Those are amazing. I'm so excited to display them. I love them so much. Thank you. And our last items are 2 blind bags and another gachapon. I'm gonna link up above my gachapon video that I just made recently. Let's see who's inside this one. Ooh. Whoa. What is this? What? These are little bumper cars, and they're Toy Story characters. Oh my goodness. I love the little ride vehicles. It looks like a Tsum Tsum. It's a Woody. It has a little chair, and it says Woody #1, and it's a little car. It's a little pullback car. It looks like a little bumper car. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love that so much. Thank you. And this other item looks like a chocolate egg. So here's the chocolate egg wrapper. Let's see what's inside. It's a Tsum Tsum, and you assemble it. How cute is that? So adorable. My camera says that it's going to die, so if you guys like to see what I get in this last surprise egg, make sure to go check out my Instagram, linked down below. You guys can see me open it on my Instagram story. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to Curie for sending me all of these amazing gifts. I love them so much, and thank you so much for thinking of me and sending me this package. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!